These fields of acacia trees have been tended by Neil Suleiman's family for generations. For 30 years, he's been planting, harvesting, and tapping them for their sap. The liquid flows slowly for days before drying into gum arabic. It's been the main source of income for his family for decades, but he's concerned that may not continue much longer.
The elders are the ones still involved in the gum arabic business. Most of those harvesting are above 30, while the youth no longer have any interest. They prefer quick earning means like mining gold or construction, but those holding on to the trade are old.
Neil's farm in Dudia, North Kordofan, is one of hundreds in the state involved in gum arabic production, which accounts for nearly 15% of Sudan's income. The product has many uses, from food emulsifiers to cosmetic products to herbal medical treatments. But due to a lack of processing facilities in Sudan, the material is exported raw and at a lower price. Because of its importance internationally, gum arabic was the only product exempted from the U.S. trade sanctions list imposed on Sudan in 1997. Sudan produces more than 70% of the world's gum arabic, and more than half of the 3 million population here in North Kordofan earns from it. But the business is changing, and besides young people moving away from farming, there are other challenges. Authorities say because gum arabic can't be processed in Sudan, up to 30% of what is produced is smuggled out of the country. And acacia experts say those involved in the business of gum arabic aren't necessarily following the best farming practices.
Climate change has a direct effect on the production concerning the gum arabic belt and also concerning the farmers. Maybe the most drought seasons in the last years affect the production of the tree. Really, farmers are running for the direct benefits from the tapping of the trees, and so also to increase their incomes. So concerning this issue, they are using to tap the tree during the off-season for the productions.
Authorities also say that out of the 11,000 square kilometers available to plant and harvest acacia in the state, less than half is being used.
As a government, we're planning in the next 3 years to increase the trees in the gum arabic belt. We're working to distribute young acacia trees to farmers here so that they can farm in areas that haven't been tapped yet. And we've proposed building factories so that harvesters and traders can profit from the added value to process gum arabic.
Neil says he's going to wait to see the changes that he's told will improve his earnings. He hopes that will also attract younger people into the business. Otherwise, he fears there will soon be only elderly farmers who may not be around to see how farms have improved. Hiba Morgan, Al Jazeera, Al Ubaid, North Kordofan.